This video shows how you can change a widget by modifying the snippet files. We have a documentation available for it. So if you go to our download area and if you click on the general application server node and you open up the HTML user guide for it and click on Ajax themes, and here you can click on customize user interface with templates and snippets. So this section basically talks about how to use custom templates and custom snippet files to modify the appearance of your widget. Now, in general, all the widgets that you use in your form file or all the widgets that you use in an application are represented by snippet files. So if you open up your as.xcf file, you can see a reference to all the snippet files that have been used. So let me open up my as.xcf file here, and as I scroll down I am looking for cpn.theme.ajax.gwc. Now this shows you all the snippet files that will be used by the Ajax theme. So you can see all the widgets are there, and all the widgets have their own snippet files. And then you have the basic theme. This is a theme that will be used by browsers that have less amount of JavaScript controls. For example, the browsers that are present in some of the phones may not support the full JavaScript functionality. So in that case, this is a theme that will be used. And again, if you scroll down, you have the Silverlight theme that will be that gives you the SAML snippets that are used by the Silverlight applications. So the main thing to notice here is that all the widgets here have their own snippet files. Thereby modifying the snippet files will change the widget as well. So normally in order to give a custom snippet file to a widget, you would have to associate a style to that particular widget, and then you would use that style to call the custom snippet file. So let me open up my application XCF file, and the entries in the application XCF file will override the entries that you have in your default as.xcf file. So if you look in it, this video mainly concentrates only on the web application side of things. So you can see that I made my mapping to only DUA underscore Ajax underscore HTML and DUA underscore Ajax. One is for IE and the other one is for Firefox. And if you look in it, I have so any entry that you make in one should also be repeated in the other. If you want that custom snippet file to be used in both Firefox as well as for IE. So as you can see, I have an image widget with a style change1, so that will be using change1 image.xhtml file. So this is a custom snippet file that will be used for the image widget. Similarly, I have one for button, I have one for label, and I have one for combo box. And so I have repeated the same entries here as well. So this is how the style is basically how you would associate a widget to a custom CSS file or a custom snippet files. Thank you.